Globalization is often viewed through the lens of economics, but its impact stretches far beyond that. It shapes our politics, society, and culture in profound ways. Let's dive into this complex web. At its core, globalization connects us. Ideas, cultures, and people cross borders at lightning speed. But this interconnectedness has a darker side. Critics argue that globalization exacerbates inequality, leading to a widening gap between the rich and the poor. Workers in developing countries often face exploitation, while those in developed nations fear job losses to cheaper labor markets. It's a tug-of-war that leaves many feeling trapped. Environmental harm is another pressing concern. As countries race to compete on the global stage, the environment often takes a backseat. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are not just local issues. They are global crises that require a united front. The UN's Sustainable Development Goals aim to address these challenges, but achieving global consensus is like herding cats. National priorities clash, and political interests often derail progress. In response to these challenges, we've seen a rise in nationalism and protectionism. Countries are pulling back, implementing tariffs and trade barriers, particularly in the heated exchanges between the United States and China. This shift raises questions about the future of international cooperation. Are we witnessing the end of globalization as we know it? Yet, globalization isn't just about economics and politics, it's also a cultural phenomenon. It fosters exchanges that enrich our lives, but it also risks cultural imperialism. Take K-pop, for example. This South Korean music genre has exploded globally, showcasing the power of cultural exchange. But it also raises concerns about the dominance of certain cultures over others. Are we celebrating diversity, or are we witnessing a homogenization of global culture? As we navigate this intricate landscape, it's crucial to recognize that globalization is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a multifaceted issue that requires careful consideration of its political, social, and cultural dimensions. The challenge lies in finding a balance that promotes equity, sustainability, and respect for diverse cultures while fostering global connections. The future of globalization depends on our ability to engage in these conversations and work towards solutions that benefit everyone.